Prop up the 4 table legs downward. Push it in horizontally. Before threading, please lift the presser foot first. There are 2 methods to place the spool. Put the thread on the thread rack. Insert the pin cap. You can use the included thread stand. Put the thread on the thread stand. Pass through the hole on the top of the holder. Pass through the hook. Wrap half a turn clockwise around the hook. Pass through the clip. Lower the presser foot. Pull the thread upwards past the elastic hook and pull it down. Bypass the upper hook. Bypass the lower hook. Keep the line in the back under the little hooks. Pull the thread tight and snap it into the gap. Place the needle threader at its lowest position. Release the needle threader. Pull the loop back thread. Pass the thread through the presser foot. Slide the bobbin cover latch to the right. Replace the bobbin with a new full one. Place the bobbin counterclockwise. Follow the arrow to wrap the bobbin thread. Cut off the excess thread. Ensure to cut off the excess thread. Too long tail will affect tension during embroidery. Insert the left part of bobbin cover into the slot. Plug in the power cord. Press the power switch. Be sure not to install the embroidery frame for turning off the screen tips. Select the pattern to be embroidered. Click on the config screen. Click on the color buttons. Choose your color. Click on the embroidery frame button. Select the corresponding size of the installed embroidery frame. Loosen the screw. Remove the inner frame. Place the backing on the outer frame. Lay the fabric the backing. Confirm that the inner and outer embroidery frames are in the correct position. Insert the inner frame. The tear stabilizer that comes with the machine is more suitable for non-stretch fabrics. We recommend beginners to practice with this fabric. Please note, different fabrics require different stabilizers. Twist the screw. Lightly pull the fabric to smooth out the wrinkles. Poke the fabric with your finger to feel the even tension of the fabric without excessive stretch. Lift the presser foot to the highest position. Move the buckle, snap the notch into the positioning pin. Put down the presser foot. Click the Ready button. Press the Start button to begin the embroidery work.